To automatically enable adaptive eye comfort shield when sleep mode is on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap sleep. Scroll down the screen. Tap other action. Under suggested action section, tap eye comfort shield. Tap eye comfort shield. Select adaptive and then tap done button. Next, tap done button again to save the change. With this setting, your phone will automatically turn on eye comfort shield filter and set it to adaptive when sleep mode is on. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.